Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi po ito personal reading. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Let's start your reading, Earth Sign. Yung ating TikTok, paki-follow na lang po, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Meron akong mga bracelets na available dyan. And if you avail crystal bracelets, meron kang free palm reading mula sa akin. 20 to 30 minutes video. Yeah. Anyway. Nine of Cups. Oh, wow. Page of Coins. I love it. Napakaganda ng unang cards natin. Then you do have your strength. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Hindi ko alam sa inyo guys, pero I see this as a sign na yung mga pinapangarap mo, yung mga gusto mong matupad, yung mga pangarap mo in the past, mga hiniling mo in the past, wish granted. Yan ang nakikita natin because I can see personal growth, I can see development, and I can see mabibili mo yung mga bagay na gugustuhin mo in the near future. I feel like you will be more grounded. Finally, ang finances mo magiging maganda. You have a lot of sources of income dito na magbibigay lahat ng pera sa'yo. Okay? Nakakita tayo dito ng ilalabas mo yung mga kagalingan mo, yung strength mo, and you will be this person na magiging mahusay talaga sa larangan na napili mo. You will be more courageous. Mailalabas mo yung lakas ng loob mo. Maaring in the past masyado kang mahiyain, hindi ka masyadong confident sa kung paano ka magsalita, sa kung paano mo dalhin. But now you are more courageous. Mas nakikita natin na mas matalino ka na, mas magaling ka na. Alam mo na kung paano haharapin yung mga pagsubok sa'yo. And I can see you are now in control. So, napakaganda nito. And you do have your Seven of Swords. This is, for what I can see here, someone here sa pagdating sa love is not being honest with you. So, sabihin na natin sa money, maganda yung sinasabi, pero there's a person here na pwedeng sa connection, sa love, ay hindi nagiging totoo or tapat sa'yo. And alamin natin, pagdating sa love, tell me about this Seven of Swords. Yeah, this Seven of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Cups. Okay, this person loves you, pero hindi niya pinapakita yon. Pinapakita niya wala siyang pakialam, mataas ang ego niya. This person is meron siya mga issues regarding maybe sa kanyang parents or sa kanyang pinanggalingan. Maybe ito ay nakakaapekto kung bakit hindi niya i-reveal ang totoo niya ang totoong emotions niya sa iyo. This person is I feel like hindi niya kayang sabayan pa yung energy mo ngayon because you are already stable, magaling and mahusay sa career mo, but I feel like hindi pa niya kayang sabayan yon. Your person here is 8 of Coins in reverse, and so underqualified pa siya, hindi pa siya qualified para maging bumalik sa'yo, parang ganon, or paging person mo. May mga paniniwala siya, or yun nga, pwede may kinalaman sa kanyang mga issues pagdating sa kanyang mga magulang or sa kanyang mga pinanggalingan. And this person is not yet okay. There's a lot of love coming from this person, pero siya mismo sa sarili kasi niya parang nahihiya siya or hindi pa niya kayang humarap sa'yo. Kaya hindi niya masabi kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman niya. Anyway, balik tayo sa career. Pagdating sa career, sa mga earth sign, oh wow. There's this new beginning for you, new opportunity. I can see prosperity sa'yo. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na minamanifest mo, dadating ito sa'yo. I can see a lot of sales for some of you. If you're self-employed, a lot of clients, a lot of benta. Ayan, if you're a businessman, businesswoman, if you're currently in a job, nakakita tayo ng bagong trabaho para sa'yo, na maybe ito yung mas magbibigay na mas magandang opportunity para sa'yo. And you do have here the High Priestess in reverse. Yeah, I feel like mag-ingat ka lang dito sa mga taong magaling lang sa umpisa. Yeah, I can see possible betrayal mula sa kanila. I can see a lot of, you do have your 9 of Wands, and I can see this is a challenging situation for you. For some of you, alagaan mo yung sarili mo kasi high chance ang pagkakasakit. You do have here the 2 of Wands. Yeah, I can see a lot of changes. You are embracing these changes sa buhay mo pagdating sa career, and talaga namang dadating naman yung mga pagbabago na yan para sa'yo. And might be, you do have here the Magician, and people will try to manipulate you pagdating sa iyong career. If you are in a, ang tawag dito, kung ikaw ay may trabaho, maybe a lot of people ay parang magiging boss-bossan sa'yo, and that could lead into hindi satisfied na energy, and yun ay maaaring maging dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng bagong beginnings for you, like new work, new career kind of energy. Possible na iwan mo tong trabaho na to at magkaroon ka ng bagong trabaho na tiyak naman talaga mas magbe-benefit ka dito. Okay? So anyway, kuha muna tayo ng situation pagdating sa love. Actually, someone is really waiting for you. May naghihintay talaga sa'yo, and itong person na to, matagal na guys. And the energy is that pwedeng may mga previous na readings ako, and ganun pa rin yung energy niya. Naghihintay siya, hanggang ngayon naghihintay siya. So, I don't know. It feels like a year ago kind of energy. So, pwedeng matagal na kitang subscriber or follower, like maybe a year ago meron ka pinanood na video ko na may kinalaman sa paghihintay ng person na kakonect mo. Until now, this person is waiting for you. So, matagal na connection na ito. Matagal na connection. This is not a new connection, you guys. Nakikita natin na nawalan ka na ng pag-asa dito sa person na ito eh. Maaring in the past, naghihintay din siya. Pero now, maybe this person is only the one waiting here. Dahil para sa'yo, nag-embrace ka na ng new beginnings, changes para sa buhay mo. So anyway, ano yung situation ninyo ng person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love situation here? You do have here pop up. Okay. Magugulat ka na lang biglang babalik ito, or magugulat ka na lang biglang pansin itong taong ito sa'yo. Maybe there's something na magugulat ka. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa mga news, mga balita tungkol sa kanya. Kung hindi man siya mismo, ay bigla mo na lang itong mababalitaan, itong mga balitang ito. Maybe something to do with, I can see here, pregnancy. So, you do have your plug. Yan, I can see a connection na magbabalik sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. And you do have your divine feminine. Yeah, high chance of someone here getting pregnant. Nakakita pa rin ako ng pagmamahal dito sa person na ito, but something here is magbibigay ng big change sa connection ninyo ng person na ito with the hamster wheel. Lockdown is here. Yeah, some high chance of your person pwedeng mabubuntis or makakabuntis. Yeah, and your person is not happy with that, but I can see a possible proposal or an offer, like pagnininang, pagnininong kind of energy. Yeah, I can see you seeing a lot of numbers, angel numbers. Anyway, you do have here today. So, mag-focus ka na lang sa mga present moment mo for now. Pagdating sa love kasi, in the future, maybe hindi pa ready or hindi pa magiging okay ang lahat sa inyo ng taong ito. And I feel like yung iba sa inyo, you have learned how to withdraw, surrender, or i-let go itong person na ito. Maybe naaalala mo siya to dreams, through song, pero hanggang doon lang yun, naaalala mo lang. Okay? So, yeah, this person is coming back with a news, a shocking news. And you do have here the poison. Poison. So, I can see, pwedeng nalinlang itong person na to. Yeah, I can see possible na siya ay napikot, kumbaga. But, anyway, what will happen in the near future for you pagdating sa money? Pagdating sa money. Pagdating sa money. Spirit guides, angel guides. For earth sign, please take only what resonates, guys. For earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn for earth sign in the near future. You do have your justice card. Okay, money. Pagdating sa money, Queen of Wands. Okay, and the Page of Swords. One more card. Four of Coins. Wow. So, in the near future, nakaamoy ako ng parang like chicheria or ngut-ngutin. You could be eating right now while watching. So, this could be a reading. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako. Anyway, in the near future, nakakita tayo dito ng energetic energy mo. I can see you being more productive. Nakikita natin na marami kang matututunan. Okay? You will be more clever. Nakikita natin mas marami kang makaka-communicate na tao. Marami kang makakausap na tao. And it's because you are trying to get out of your comfort zone. Yeah, I can see someone here na parang magkakaroon ng interviews with other people or interview nga pagdating sa job, career. If you are self-employed, nakakita tayo dito ng security, a lot of bank accounts, so pwedeng madagdagan yung mga ipon mo. And with the Justice card, you will get what you deserve. 'Diba? Kasi pwedeng din sa previous work mo, hindi mo nakukuha yung appreciation mula sa boss or mga kasamahan mo. So, in the near future, if you are working, if you are employed, nakikita natin na yung bagong work for you is that makukuha mo yung deserve mo na pagtangkilik, no? Dito sa iyo. All in all, you will be happy. Good news. You do have your Page of Wands, so may good news para sa iyo pagdating sa money, pagdating sa career. What about love? In the near future for earth sign, please. What about love? You do have here death. So, yeah, a lot of new beginnings. Ay, sorry. This is an upright pala. Nasunobaliktad ko lang. Yeah, I can see new beginnings, pero nakikita natin pagdating sa it's not completely over, hindi pa over itong connection na ito. Meron lang pause, pahinga, because there's this changes here na kailangan maranasan ng person na kakonect mo. And I can see there's this new beginning. So, yeah, that could mean yung may kinalaman sa new person or maybe baby, pregnancy. Yan. You do have here the Queen of Coins. I feel like you don't care kasi nakikita natin yung maturity mo. You're focusing sa pagiging successful, pagiging practical. Yeah, new beginnings. You do have your new ideas na makakatulong para lalo pong maging mas maganda ang flow ng finances at career mo. I don't know if you care about this person. Kasi nga, for what I can see here, hindi ka nakatulad ng noon na obsessed or naghihintay sa person na to. So, in the future, I can see you focusing on your career. And pagdating dito sa person na to, it's not completely over yet. Pero nakikita natin na may pause or pahinga kasi dahil sa mga malaking pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay niya. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and comment down below. I love you guys and bye-bye.